Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to the session and welcome to your favorite online learning platform, that is the BYJU'S exam prep. And yes guys, today the entire team of ECE and EE, we are all live together in front of you. Just have a small interaction with all of you. The session is Ask Us Anything. Yes, all your questions to be answered by all your favorite faculties live together. And also we have very important updates to tell you, right, to the entire YouTube community of ECE Computer Science for the BYJU'S exam prep. So over to you, Sanjay sir.
Hello everyone. Now we have around 9 months for GATE 2024, and I think you have number of questions in your mind, right? You can ask about the GATE exam, you can ask about the engineering services exam, right? If you have any question, then this is the platform. Now you can ask here. Ankit sir.
Hello students. Hello everyone. So students, I just want to add few points that you would have already started your preparation, and you may be searching for the best content here and there, and you may be the part of some paid course, or you may not be the part of some paid course, but we are here, we are preparing something for you every now and then and coming live. The entire team of BYJU'S is there for you, and we have prepared some different contexts and different types of variety of sessions for you, so that you will be getting benefited in GATE. So stay tuned for the upcoming few minutes, and if you will be there, then you will be getting to know what exactly you have to do in the upcoming months to crack GATE. So over to you, Ashu sir.
Thank you, Ankit sir, and good evening, guys. I hope everyone is fine there. So, guys, it's time to study, and abhi GATE ho bhi gaya, pisla aapne 2023 dekh hi liya. So now you have to start for 2024, and it's the right time. और BYJU'S एग्जाम प्रेप की तरफ से भी हमने कुछ इनिशिएटिव ले रखे हैं, तो आज हम उसी के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. What are those initiatives and how you can be benefited from that, how you can start your preparation along with those initiatives. और तो उनके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, and you can ask us your doubt, because there are so many doubts you have, like how to prepare, what kind of difficulty you are facing. So those things you can ask us, and in this session we'll discuss that. So let's see. And अभी मैं चाहूंगा कि साकेत सर आपके साथ कुछ बताएं, कुछ बात करें. जी सर, साकेत सर.
Good evening everyone. And sir, already the students have started asking the questions, so I don't think that we should get late, and we should come to the point in the initially, because already there are students who's they are waiting since already 5 to 10 minutes, and they are ready with their questions. So let's come to their question. But yes, before going into the question, that what are the different things that we are actually bringing you, all of you, for you in the platform, that for the GATE preparation, like GATE 24 and GATE 25 for EE, ECE, IN. And yes, there are generic questions also that we will take up. So if you are from other branch like CS Mechanical or other branch, then also you can stay in this particular video, so that we will take your questions also. But if you talk about the subject, then we will deal with the subject of ECE, EE, and IN. But the generic, that how should be preparation strategy, at what time the syllabus should be finished, like that, these how to utilize the test series, all these questions we will take. Sir, so let's bring the slide and share what are the upcoming sessions that we are bringing for the GATE aspirants.
Right. And I think, sir, students have started asking a lot of questions. So before we give that slide updates, I think let us take some of the questions, because some of the students have started, repeating the questions. So guys, don't repeat the questions. Wait, one by one, we'll be taking it. Just you have to have little patience. So the first of the question that I'm able to see is from Rajshri. Rajshri Joshi is asking about what are the subjects to start first for GATE 2024. Ashu Jhangra sir, your opinion on this. He third year ECE student, which subjects to start first for GATE?
Yes, Rajshri, so to start your preparation, you can start with the network theory, and in parallel you can go with the signal and system, because network theory and signal system are the basic subject, and you can start preparing from those subjects. The thing is, network will be used in analog electronics, and signal will be used in many subjects like analog and then communication. So in advanced subject, these two subjects will be used. After that, you can start with digital and control system. So you can make a sequence. Why I'm saying control system after signal system? Because in control system, we usually have Laplace transform. So if your Laplace is good, then it will be easy to understand control system. So better you complete signal and system and network theory. You can take them in parallel, because if you start one subject, then you might get bored. Let's say you are studying all the time network theory. So obviously you need to switch the subject after 2 hours or maybe 3 hours, so that you don't get bored this way. So along with network theory, you start signal and system. So this will be the right strategy. Sir, your take on this point, Rakesh sir.
Correct, sir. Because fundamental subjects like network has to be started, because it is going to be used in various subjects, be it an electrical student or be it an electronic students, right? Also, one more thing, if you want parallelly, you can keep preparing the mathematics as well. Because in our branch electronics, there are various areas of maths like algebra, linear algebra used in control system. Complete concept of eigenvalue, eigenvector is required. Probability is used in communication. Calculus is used in entire engineering. So there are so many areas of maths which are used in the engineering, and especially in our branch. So you can parallelly prepare maths as well, keeping one fundamental technical subjects. Also, at the same time, already I'm just able to recall, me and Ashush Hangra sir made one video also for the student, be it a second year student, third year student, final year student. If you are starting for the GATE for the first time, what are the subjects to start the preparation? Right. Just I think last month, me and Ashush sir recorded one video and it is available. So later on, if you find time, you can watch that as well. Karan Saran, your doubt like applied mechanics and fluid, to be very honest, I'll have to take a concern of Dheeraj sir, because this is from mechanical. So don't worry, you can ping me in the Telegram once. How exactly the specialization is, I'll have a discussion with Dheeraj sir and I'll definitely revert back to you. Coming to Manish Sharma, sir, being a GATE Computer Science 2025 aspirant, by what time should I complete my syllabus to get top rank? So Ankit sir, can you take over to this? He's 2025 aspirant, तो उनको किस time तक syllabus का target करना चाहिए? He's aiming a top rank here. Sir, you are on mute. Ankit sir. Ankit sir, it is mute.
This student is having an ample amount of time to prepare, and as far as we believe that serious 6 months preparation is sufficient for cracking exams like GATE. But if this student is having this much amount of time, then the better choice to, yes, he's from CSE, right?
Yes, computer science.
So it's better that you should be finishing your syllabus in 6 to 8 months, and parallelly you should be solving the mock test. That is very, very important for you. And by the time, okay, as early as you finish the syllabus, that is fine. But when you are close to the exam, you should be solving as many mock tests so that you will not lose the concepts just before your exam. So solving more and more mock tests, finishing the syllabus in 6 to 8 months, that is mandatory. And once you will be entering into your final year, then you will be having the load of your final year project and maybe some elective subjects. So I don't think you will be getting much amount of time to prepare in your final year. So it's the right time to finish the syllabus. And as per the syllabus of GATE, almost all the subjects in GATE are covered till third year, 6th semester only. So you will not be getting any more subjects from final year. So try to finish all the syllabus for your GATE in the upcoming 6 to 8 months, and then try to appear in as many as mock tests as possible.
Manikandan, I'll just check on this. I don't have any update on this. So if possible, if course team gives, I'll take. Otherwise, all your favorite faculties are there. Somebody is taking math, somebody is taking signals. So you just have to stay tuned to BYJU'S and you'll get all your subjects completed. Okay, so let's move ahead to the next query here. I have a query from Gautami. Sir, I took BYJU'S paid course and no time for revision, parallelly for revision. Sir, is last 2 months enough for revision for computer science GATE? Thank you. Sanjay sir, can you take up on this doubt? Because this is doubt, I think there's a doubt with many of the students who are going through the paid courses, right? So is it only necessary to attend the paid course and revision at the end, or should they do revision and practice parallelly? So what is your opinion, Sanjay sir? Sir, mute, Sanjay sir.
Okay, sir. Now, this is a general doubt, guys. Now, when we are attending the paid classes, then we are not getting the enough time. But remember, how many hours? Maximum 2 hours or what? 4 hours. At minimum 2 hours or maximum 4 hours paid classes, whether it is a online classes or what offline classes, guys. Okay. Then after paid classes, simply you have to go through the notes, then make proper notes of that. Simply we can say what short notes, or you can write what all the important formula. Then just for getting the command over the concept, try to solve some questions from workbook, then previous year questions. Okay. Now, if you are going to make the proper notes after solving the questions and so on, that is called what? One time revision. So आपने तो already revision कर लिया. अब just after 15 days, go through that notes, right? In each month, just after 15 days, go through that notes, right? If you find any difficulty, then revise that particular portion. But remember, guys, we have to complete course up to what? November, or maximum up to what? 10th December. Then we will get the enough time for revision, guys. Rakesh sir.
Yes, sir. So definitely, so you must plan your revision little bit. Of course, last 2 months will be there, but slightly you have to keep preparing parallelly with the classes as well, because otherwise we'll miss lots of things. So then, yeah. So Cyrus, sir, one of our students is mentioning that he has got an offer letter from HPCL. So great, congratulations, Cyrus, and all our blessings with you. Great to know your achievement. Right. Like little similar doubt, not exactly the same. Saket sir, we have from Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi is asking, while preparing the exam, which is preferable, like practicing daily or practicing on Saturday, Sunday, and listening only the videos till Friday?
Sir, I should say that if suppose you are having enough time, then obviously it will be better that if you revise daily and solve the questions on the daily basis. Because whenever we actually attend any class, then we are fresh with the concept, then we can go and check the questions related to that particular thing. And especially in our BYJU'S, we give the daily quizzes on the daily basis. I mean, that means in the daily lecture basis, means whatever we teach, based on that only we have a quiz. So that is the better idea if you attempt the questions related to that lecture particularly. Otherwise, if suppose you don't have time, then and you don't have any class on Saturday, Sundays, because usually on the weekdays we have 2 hours class, but in the weekend you can have the more than 4 hours class. So in that case also you will not be able to revise, because you are leaving it to revise it on Saturday and Sunday. And if you get any classes scheduled on that day, then that time also gone, and in the weekend also you will not be able to revise. So always try to revise on the daily basis, so that you will be updated. And when you revise on the daily basis, then when you attend the next lecture, it is easy to understand the concepts which are related to the previous topic. So it depends on the students to students that what are their schedule. But yeah, better is to take the revision and practice the questions on the daily basis.
Correct. Right. So yeah, Nishita, I think I missed your question. I'm going to take up right now. Yeah, I found your question, Nishita. So Nishita is asking that some of the solutions in workbook and quiz seems to be difficult. How to reach subject teacher? Generally, subject teachers give the solution in very easy way. Okay, Nishita, so if you find some of the questions really difficult, first of all, yeah, you are on the good path that you are approaching difficult questions, because you have seen the gate pattern. Sometimes it can be easy, sometimes it can be difficult. So preparation should be up to maximum level. So that's good effort that you are approaching all type of question. Now, if you feel that for some of the questions you want more simplified answer, simplified solution, you can post your quiz in the app where you have the doubt session, right? Okay, firstly, you get the reply from team, but still, if you want more simplified faculty, and if you still want to be connected with the faculty to get that simplified answer, you can ask our content team to forward your personal doubt to the respective faculties. They will forward it to us, whatever whose subject it is, whether it is my subject, Ankit sir, etc. Right? It is forwarded to us. Also, one more very important update. Let me tell you that from the upcoming subjects, right? One big update also, like from the upcoming subject, I am starting from 8th of May EMFT, and now we have workbook sessions also. Okay, I think it is incorporated in all upcoming subjects, maybe in parallel also. Ashu sir, is it in control system also right now?
Yeah, in parallel we are solving workbook, sir.
Correct. So that's what, guys. So that's what at least from I knew from my subject, I was confirming with other faculties also. So guys, in upcoming subjects, we are also having the workbook sessions that after every few classes, we will take up some special workbook questions, and they will be targeted like these questions only, which are, more trickier and you're not able to, because simple questions you can understand by solution also, but good questions we'll take in the workbook session. So with all our paid classes program, we are incorporating workbook practice sessions also. So take up your concerned doubts of the workbook. Right, so that can help you, especially in the workbook part. Right. Let's move ahead to the next doubt. Joydeep is asking a doubt. Doing workbook exercise is important every day, right? Ashu sir, your opinion on this?
Doing workbook exercise important? Yes, it is very important, because if you have studied some concept, then it's very difficult to remember that concept. If you're not solving this, you will not remember it. So it's simple. If you are solving some questions, then you are actually implementing the concept. So it will give you more practice and you will remember that concept for longer time. Okay. I have started one new subject, and right now I started reading the books. So what I felt is, if I start reading the concept, I feel good for me, and I understand each and every concept. But the problem is, if I don't solve the questions which are provided in the book, obviously I will forget it. After 2 days, I remember nothing. So the thing is, you have to do practice. You have to solve questions. This is the only secret that you have to follow. So it's very important that you, along with the concept classes, you have to solve the workbook question. So it's very important. Rakesh sir.
Yes, correct. Don't worry, Sonu. Ashu sir network class will also resume, and he's, I think, going to start control system for all of you from tomorrow, right, Ashu sir?
Yes, control system. Yes, control system. Tomorrow we'll start control system, and the timing will be 7 a.m. sir.
7 p.m. I think.
7 p.m. Yes, 7 p.m.
Yes, all dear students, tomorrow on YouTube, control systems will be taken from the very fundamental level by Ashu sir at 7 p.m. in the GATE fundamental series. We'll give you all those updates also, but yeah, if you asked, so I thought. Ashish, ISC placements, you don't refer to your branch, but still let me take the example of my branch, like microelectronics or VLSI, you can call it as. This year, forget my time, this year 2023, the batch which is going to pass out in the microelectronics is having the average CTC of 31.1 lakhs per annum. I have the official data with the Excel sheet, right? 31.1 lakhs per annum is the average CTC of ISC Bangalore microelectronics. If you're computer science, it is going to be more than that, much more than that, right? So placements are, really tremendous, not only for ISC, for all the top IITs as well. All right. Okay. Did I miss anybody's doubts? Sanjay sir, Sunil is asking how many marks will be required to get a seat in IITs?
It is not about the marks, guys, right? For example, in electrical last year, the toppers marks is more than 90. But this year, the toppers marks is not only 66. If suppose you are focusing on the marks, then it will become very difficult for you, right? And we have to solve as much question as possible. At the same time, we have to avoid what silly mistakes. We have to avoid what negative marking, right? Now, when we are solving the previous year questions, for example, last 15 years to 20 years, then when we are giving the exams, for example, GATE 2024, then we can judge what about the paper, whether it is easy, moderate, or what tough. According to the paper, we have to take the decision, right? If we are not able to decide whether the paper is tough or easy or moderate, then simply we will focus on the marks, and we will do what negative marking or what silly mistakes. So कभी कभार मार्क्स तब मैटर करेगा जब इजी है तो 90 प्लस लाओ, तब आप टॉप रैंक लेकर आएंगे, और जब टफ है तो आप अगर 60 प्लस भी ला रहे हैं तो आपकी रैंक बहुत अच्छी आने वाली है. साकिब सर.
राइट. साकिब सर, सोबिन कुमार इज आस्किंग अस क्वेश्चन की टेस्ट सीरीज कब से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं?
It depends, if according to me, whenever you finish one subject, I think at least topic-wise test should be finished, because I think in every test series we have the category like a topic-wise test, subject-wise test, then multi-subject test, like that. So whenever you finish one subject, Sobin, then you should give at least topic-wise test for that subject. Then when you finish any other subject, then you can go for the subject wise test also for the previous subjects. Like that you can go. So it is like whenever you finish the subject, you should start giving the test, because at the end you will have the number of test series, and then number of tests, then it will be less time for you to attempt all the tests, and you have to give the mock test also. So it's better if you give the test after finishing the subject itself.
Right. Michael Rex, it depends on what batch you have joined. So when is your entire syllabus going to be completed? You can check that in the study plan. Matlab, I will also not be able to give you the perfect answer. You can check that in the study plan. Easily you'll be able to see your course completion that. Ankit sir, एक बहुत important doubt पूछा एक student ने है, but ये सभी की problem है consistency, right? So how to maintain this consistency with the gate? It's very important, because students कभी-कभी तो बहुत जोश में आ जाते हैं, but then they fall apart.
The student loses the consistency when he actually forgets his aim, and when he stress himself with some other task apart from his aim. So ultimately, when aim is diluted with other things, then he will be losing the consistency. So what we have done in our days, that every day before sleeping, we used to write the next day's task, that what we should do in the entire day's plan based on the availability of time hours on the next day. So if students can make a weekly plan and then just track the plan every day, and whatever is leftover task in the first 6 days, say from Monday to Saturday, and that has to be completed on they say there is a slack day, say Sunday. So whatever is left, if that student is finishing that task on Sunday, then when he will be looking back, he is having that he has done this much of task, this much of topics are completed, this many questions he has attempted, this many mock tests he have done, this many concepts he has revised. So based on this his already completed work, on every week he is getting the motivation to prepare the next week plan. So if a student is doing this, then on every Sunday he can just watch what he has done in the past 7 days, 6 days, and he is getting motivation for the next 6 days. So this is a periodic kind of work, but that has to be done by every set of student, so that they will be getting motivated and they will not be losing their aim on the path.
Right. Okay, so Rahul, I think you have got a great answer on consistency. Yes. Okay, and great compliment from Rahul also for all of us. Now Sunil, see, to crack the GATE exam, you need concepts, practice, hard work, dedication, and that has nothing to do with any of the cars. So just go forward. Okay, study all your concepts, keep practicing hard, appear in all the test series. Okay, then qualifying all these things, you can become a GATE ranker. That is a simple solution. So don't have any barrier in your mind. Okay, just be determined that yes, you want to do it. So you will have to do it. You'll have to work hard for it. That's it. Without work hard, nothing can happen. So you just have to work hard in the basics that is required to crack the examination. Vaishnavi, yes, yeah, I always keep on emphasizing on the fact that formulas are not enough. Okay. So for concept, it depends what videos. Are you talking about only YouTube videos? So then you have to make them very structured, because you'll get good content on YouTube. Yeah, for that you have to be very selective, because YouTube is so vast that you will get lots of content. Some of the content may be good, some of the content may not be good. Even if you get good content, you have to maintain a proper playlist and a proper arrangement. In case you are following the classes that you are having in the vision batches, in case you are a vision batch student of BYJU'S, then in that case, I can tell you that, yes, since you have limited time, if you are a GATE 24 aspirants, around 8-9 months more left, you can rely on the classes. Right, because whatever, like the faculties you are seeing in front of you, whenever we have planned a class, we have planned doing the research of the subject from the best textbooks, not only one textbook. We have done the research of that subject from multiple textbooks, and then we are delivering the content to you. So whatever job the student has to do, whatever time you may have to spend in textbook, that is already researched by us, and then we are helping you in that case. So your main area can be practice and practice if you are following the complete vision classes. That's what my personal hope is. My personal belief is actually. What do you say, sir?
Yeah, you are asking, Rakesh sir?
Yeah, no, it's in general, matlab, if student is attending all our Vision BYJU'S classes, so is that particular content for concepts enough for that particular student?
Yeah, the content is enough, but the thing is you have to do practice and you have
Yes.
to perform tests.
Correct.
So with the help of test, you can verify whether your preparation is going well or not. So, I mean, the practice makes you perfect. So the simple thing is do more and more practice. Okay. Try to solve more maximum questions and try to solve some good questions also. The questions which give you difficulty, that questions are very important because they will teach you where you are doing mistakes. So don't skip those questions, even if you don't able to solve those questions, but they will teach you. So don't skip those questions and try to solve maximum questions. That's the secret that you need to follow.
Yes.
So it's simple.
Correct. And Ashu sir, parallelly modern physics is asking, can I cover syllabus in 2 months?
2 months.
But why? Abhi to bahut sara time hai, so why this question is coming first of all?
I mean, 2 months में आप गेट का syllabus, if even अगर आपने prepare कर रखा है, if you have prepared all the subjects, let's say, आप बिल्कुल आपने सब कुछ तैयार किया हुआ है and you have performed all the tests and then आप revise कर सकते हो 2 months में, but you can't say that ये केवल एक तभी possible है जब आप बहुत ही extraordinary हैं and आपने बहुत कुछ कर रखा है, then only you can complete that in 2 months. Otherwise there is no point of doing that. So better you complete the subjects and in last 2 months you can revise those subjects. So it's possible to get good rank with this method. Yes sir.
All right. Saket sir, I think a question more relevant to you because a student has done first year of MTech in communications from NITK. But now this year he has also got All India rank 221, Manu Joseph. So what should he do now? He's now confused. Already first MTech also completed first year, but now a good rank of 221 ECE.
Sir, actually, because he has already finished 1 year and he might be in the only the project work he is doing. So I think he should continue with the MTech because he should know the placement scenario of his NIT, right? So if he is getting the good placement in that NIT, then it is not worth to shift the to the IIT for only MTech on, because with this 221 rank, I don't think he will get the some good IIT also. Obviously with some other branch like communication also he can get, and maybe in some of the IIT he can get the VLSI. But what is his area of interest now, he has to see, because now he has spent 1 year in the communication. Now there is no point of shifting the branch also just for the placement. So it would be better if he will check the placement of his NIT itself, and if he has the good placement data of his NIT in the communication especially, then he should continue with that, and he should apply for the PSU, because there are some PSU that who takes the GATE score, like there are Airport Authority of India and other PSU that in which you can get with this rank also. So you should wait for the PSU, those who will take the GATE scorecard. Maybe next year also you will get some of the PSU, those who will be taking from the GATE 2023. Like this time also there are many notification came which take the last 3-year GATE scorecard. So you can finish your MTech and you can wait for the PSUs who will take the GATE scorecard for the 2023, and you can apply. Where the number of seats will be more, there will be a good chance for your selection. So I think he should continue.
Okay,
sir. Rakesh sir, Saket sir, I have one more view on that because
Yes,
his
sir.
rank is, I think, 221.
Yes, sir.
His rank is good, Rakesh sir. So
Yes.
Saket sir, so I think he can get good IITs also if he switches from NITs. So he can get good IITs also, and even he can get good branches in MTech. So according to me, if the placement is fine in IITs, just go for the, I mean, look at the placement also. What type of, what is the average package, as Rakesh sir was telling about ISC. So you have to check the average package in whatever IIT you are applying, or maybe. So then you can switch according to me. It's my view, sir.
Yes, you definitely can compare the placement where you want to go.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, because one thing is at 221, you will not get the VLSI, I believe, microelectronics. So in top
Yes.
IIT, you will not get. You will get in. You can get it in IIT Kharagpur or IIT Roorkee or Guwahati. You can get. Okay, but maybe IIT Delhi, Bombay, or ISC will be difficult for microelectronics. But whatever you're targeting, you can definitely have a look into the placement record. Or maybe your choice is PSU also. So that also you have to look into. First, you have to decide whether you have to stick into MTech. Then you have to take a call whether MTech from current IIT or you have to switch to IIT, or whether your choice is totally PSU. So that also you have to think.
Also, the brand name also affect, na, sir? Because if he is going to IITs and if let's say he is going for PhD, if he is interested, let's say, so even after doing PhD, if he has done MTech from IIT, so obviously there is a different type of exposure, different type of platform. So many things you will
and
get.
Brand name, of course, matters.
Yes,
The
yes, it
IIT tag
matters.
always
It matters.
matters.
Yes, yes, yes.
Right. I think, sir, lots of queries we have taken and still we are getting queries. Guys, don't worry, we'll take up all the queries. But I think, sir, before we take on another query, let us also inform the students, the important updates that we wanted to inform, so that the entire YouTube community is updated about what exactly, the offerings are there for them on the YouTube channel. So let me parallelly present that, guys. Just 2 minutes. We'll have a quick updates about the channel, and then we'll take all your remaining queries. I'll just share my screen so that the things are visible to you. Yes. Sir, my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So guys, first of all, important update that is, regarding to the free mega workshop that happens on the BYJU'S Exam Prep app. The workshops are on the app. Okay. And this time you have a workshop directly from a GATE 2023 topper. Yes. Right. 7th May. Right. The coming Sunday at 12:30 p.m. Attend a free mega workshop on how to ace the GATE in the first attempt. Yes. Rashul also got the All India rank 12 in GATE in the very first attempt. So it's the best opportunity to listen to him and know how to ace the GATE in the first attempt. So Rashul Jutani, All India rank 12 GATE 2023 is going to tell you his opinions on this Sunday at 12:30 p.m. Okay. Now, guys, let's move ahead towards, the important YouTube things that we want to update. Yes, guys, this is what is the total free material that is available on the BYJU'S Exam Prep ECE Computer Science YouTube channel. Number one is the GATE 2024 Fundamental Series, which is comprising of the live classes. Like Ashu sir is starting tomorrow with the control system at 7 p.m. Right? We have already last week you have attended EMT classes from Saket sir. Sanjay sir has taken some classes. I have taken some classes. Ankit Joshi sir have taken some classes. So, periodically we are taking the GATE 2024 Fundamental. Now, as the name says, okay, the focus of this particular series is to build all your fundamentals of important topics in a very continuous manner for the GATE. Now, fundamental doesn't mean that we are only focusing on fundamental. We start from fundamental, but we go to a problem. Okay, that can be a very good level of problem in GATE. Okay, so we start from zero and we try to convert into hero. That is the idea of this particular series, right? So any particular topic you want to attend here, you can attend, trusting on us that it is started from zero, it is started from fundamentals, and it is going to take you towards a very comfortable level. Also, at the same time, especially for computer science, as well as for some of the electronic students who are writing the NIELIT examination, the NIELIT 2023 crash course is also running, which is having the frequency like this: Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Right, the technical sessions are there, and every Sunday general aptitude session is there, because general aptitude itself is 35% weightage in this examination. Right. Then we have a very interesting series, Learn with Fun. Ashu sir, what exactly this series is, and what we are trying to highlight with this series?
In Learn with Fun series is one of the most important series for all the students, especially because if you look at after GATE exam, you generally go for the interview part, and for PSUs or for maybe BARC, you generally face interviews. So in interviews, the questions will be application based. So to understand to give the answer, your concept should be very good. Your application part should be very good. The concept understanding should be very good. So this Learn with Fun series will help you in that. In this series, we generally perform experiments, and with the help of experiment, we try to clarify the concept. We try to build up the concept, and the thing is, you get the application part also. So it will boost your understanding and it will help you, especially while you're facing interviews of PSUs or maybe of BARC. So this series is very important. Learn with Fun series, and it's of maximum 20 or 30 minutes, so you can watch it easily, and there is no you can say you can spend that much time. So it's very good to watch, and you will seriously love this series. So don't forget to attend this series. Every Sunday you will get one video on that.
Yeah, and even frequency is like Sunday. Okay, so we are not putting a lot of pressure onto the students. Yeah, but this series also make your interest level arise. Okay, because sometimes you are dull in the preparation, thoda sa boring lagne lagta hai, but yeah, these videos will make yourself interested in preparation. अच्छा ऐसा भी होता है, इस experiment से ऐसा सीखा, तो चलो पूरा detail में पढ़ते हैं इस चीज को. So that interest automatically comes up. So every Sunday 7 PM the series is live. Also at the same time, Sanjay sir, can you speak about this coffee with concept? Now, why we are making already GATE 24 fundamental series is going on, that is covering the live video. So what is this coffee with concept and how students can enjoy with the sip of coffee for this particular series? Sir, mute. Sanjay sir, mute.
In every video, we are saying that, sir, GATE question paper is based on concept, not on formula, right? And now students are not understanding then what is the meaning of the concept, how we can develop the concepts and so on. So in a coffee with concept, with the fun, we are giving the important concept so that they will learn and how to use this concept to solve some questions. हम जो ये सेशन ले रहे हैं कॉफी विद कॉन्सेप्ट, पूरे एक पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक को हम लेते हैं और उसको पूरा डिटेल में हम लोग बताएंगे कैसे आप कॉन्सेप्ट डेवलप कर सकते हो और उस कॉन्सेप्ट को कैसे यूज किया जाता है. साथ में आप यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट विल लर्न हाउ टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस ड्यूरिंग एग्जाम एंड डेफिनेटली दे विल लर्न हाउ टू गिव द आंसर ड्यूरिंग व्हाट इंटरव्यूज आल्सो, राइट. तो यहाँ और ये वीकली हम 2 बार ले रहे हैं, ऑन ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे एंड संडे फॉर इलेक्ट्रिकल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन ब्रांच, and for computer science it is on what Tuesday and Saturday. So we have limited time. This is not a 1 hour or 2 hour, just within 10 to 15 minutes, maximum 20 minutes we are covering one important topic. So students, please watch these sessions, enjoy the sessions, and if you have any queries then you can ask your questions also. Rakesh.
Right. Okay, so because many times when we come live na, तो कभी-कभी छोटी-छोटी बात भी बड़ी हो जाती है. Right. So that is why we have the very important concepts in the recorded format, because anytime if we come live, minimum 30-40 minutes of session is there. Right. But there are some concepts which we can easily cover in 15-20 minutes. And that's what we are doing, adding up, some animations and some good PPT work background it so that it is more beautifully presented and you're able to understand the real concept of that particular thing. Right. Okay, so this is what is the glimpses of all that we have spoken just now. The GATE fundamental series is going on. That is on the weekdays, Monday to Friday. Okay, and coffee with concepts, as Sanjay sir already explained you. Okay, all your important concepts here. The learn with fun, that is a Sunday special, a very, very interesting and experimental based series every Sunday at 7 PM. And NIELIT crash course is going on, MWF technical, and sorry, it's not Saturday, it's Sunday. Aptitude session. So what you have to just do is stay subscribed to the channel. If you are subscribed, well and good. If you are not subscribed, you can subscribe so that you are able to attend all these concepts without any miss. Right. Okay. So sir, let's take some more queries if we have by chance. Yeah, Manuj, I just read your comment. So don't worry, I'll give your particular feedback to the content team regarding to the synchronization of the quizzes, if at all, if there is any issue that you are referring to. Sunil, you are going to appear in 2026. So you are in first year, right? Start from second year. GATE preparation, you can start from second year easily. That's what I believe. And target that. Try to write down the GATE exam in the third year, first of all. Don't wait for final year. Okay, try to write down in the third year. Maybe you get a very, very good rank in third year. If not, you will get a good trial in third year. थोड़ा अच्छा सीख लोगे चीजों को, final year में अच्छा कर लोगे. Right. Let me see. Yes, Sanjay sir. There is one doubt left from Shakib Abbas. How to focus during live class and also makes notes simultaneously?
normally a question है sir कि when we are focusing on the classes, we are not able to make the notes and so on. These days, guys, or during online classes, we are providing you the PDF after the classes. Okay. Then, but just after the class, try to revise the class. Okay. No need to make the complete notes. Because you can download the PDF or you can watch the recorded sessions also. Right. But try to make what some formula notes, write down the some important definition, try to solve some derivations, right? And try to solve numericals, try to solve all the assignments given by the teachers. Normally, students are not solving the questions also, right? Once you will be able to solve the questions, then try to solve what some numericals from workbook, then previous year questions, then what standard textbook, and then make the notes of what important questions, important derivations. This much is required. No need to write what complete paragraph, no need to write each and everything in your notes. जैसा आशु सर ने पहले भी कहा है कि जितने ज्यादा आप न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व कर रहे हैं ना, उतनी आपकी ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस भी होते जाएगी. और जब आप न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करेंगे या क्वेश्चंस आप बनाएंगे ना, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपको रियलाइज होगा कि इस पोर्शन में हम काफी स्ट्रांग है और ये हमारा वीक एरिया है. तो जो भी वीक एरिया है, ट्राई टू मेक नोट्स ऑन दैट.
करेक्ट. एंड सर पैरेलली वन मोर स्टूडेंट इज आस्किंग, आई थिंक आप इसका ज्यादा अच्छा जवाब देंगे, श्रीराम मीना, फॉर बिकॉज इट इज रिलेटेड टू इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज एग्जामिनेशन. करंट अफेयर्स के लिए बेस्ट रिसोर्स कौन से हैं फॉर इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज एग्जामिनेशन?
फॉर इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज एग्जामिनेशन,
यस.
Now these days what there are 10 important topics in what engineer for that for pre-examination. We have the general studies and what the second one is what technical. So in general studies you want to get the command over the current affairs. Okay, then simply no need to follow the newspaper, right? Because we no need to no need to write the complete answer or conventional answers. Simply we have to focus on what, how to solve the objective questions in pre-examination. Okay, so there will be the different types of questions, somewhat database question. For some questions they will give you the points, right, which answer is correct, and some for some questions they will relate the questions like what assertion and reason. तो current affairs जहां तक है, अब डेली का जो आपको लास्ट में का हर वीक एक बूस्ट आ जाता है जिसमें पूरे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स आपको कवर किए जाते हैं, उनको रीड करो और क्विज़ेस देते रहिए ताकि आप क्वेश्चंस को बना सको, और उसको कैसे हमको रिकॉल करना है उसके थोड़े थोड़े नोट्स बनाते जाइए, तो ऑटोमेटिकली जब आपका एग्जाम आएगा तब आप उसको रिकॉल कर पाएंगे.
यस. अंकित जोशी सर, आई थिंक मे बी वन ऑफ द लास्ट डाउट्स, बाकी सारे तो हो गए हैं. कार्तिक डार्लिंग इज आस्किंग, एंड आई थिंक ये भी एक बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स का रिलेवेंट डाउट हो सकता है, दैट ही हैज स्कोर्ड समवेयर अराउंड 393 गेट स्कोर एंड ही कैन गेट एनआईटी कुरुक्षेत्र इन द स्पेशल राउंड 2. सो क्या उन्हें वो ज्वाइन करना चाहिए या इट इज बेटर टू टेक अ ड्रॉप, प्रिपेयर नेक्स्ट ईयर अगेन?
Getting an NIT, and if you are looking for MTech, so it will not be worth to take a drop and going for the IITs. So who knows what happens next in the next attempt. So what I think you are getting quite good. And meanwhile, recently I have taken one session on the packages offered by the IITs. So there I searched the data for NITs as well. So NIT Kurukshetra is offering good packages for MTech programs when we compare it with the BTech programs. So it's comparatively good. And if you are going, he is not mentioned his branch, right?
Yeah, not mentioned.
So anyways, so in my opinion, going with this rank, going with NIT Kurukshetra will be the good idea. And when we compare the college and the course offered, students should take a proper call between the trade in which he is taking the MTech program or the ME program, and just take a call between the colleges offered. So ultimately you have to see the packages as well as whatever course you are doing and the scope of that course in the upcoming future for at least 10 to 15 years.
Right.
Sir,
Yeah, thank you.
actually, I did migration from NIT Kurukshetra. So let me add some few words to that. The environment there is very good. What you need is, even if you want to study, let's say you take the admission and you carry on your preparation. So the library is very good. You'll get some good exposure there. Environment is very beautiful. Hostels are very beautiful. So you should join that, and along with that, you can prepare for your exam, because the workload will not be that much in NITs. That's for sure. And also the placement is also good, but don't look at the placement for NITs. Better prepare for the next exam. So and moreover, you will get the stipend also, no? Because along with that NIT course, your MTech course, you will get the stipend also. So you will be financially independent. So that's a good choice. You can go with that, according to me.
Yeah,
I should say that.
correct. All right, sir. Thank you so much, sir. And I think time is past 12 and students have started also dropping up. Maybe students are also feeling sleepy. But yeah, we have covered up almost all the doubts that is asked by the students. Guys, in case if by chance maybe one or two doubt missed, no problem. You can directly message your doubt to whoever you want to address, be it Sanjay sir, Ankit Joshi sir, Ashu sir, me or Saket sir. You can address us in the Telegram. We'll definitely revert back to you. Right. And yeah, hope guys this session has made your doubts cleared. This was a Q&A interaction with your faculties, okay, so that you ask your questions, and it is good to see that students are interested in asking questions. Okay, they have some doubts regarding the preparation. So I think sir, we can plan these sessions more frequently. मतलब हर कुछ time में आके students का भी एक motivation बढ़ जाता है कि यार उनके कोई भी doubts हैं, because this session is not about technical doubts. It is all about mental doubts, motivational doubts कि कैसे अपने preparation को balance रखें. So we will definitely come up with more such frequent sessions to interact with the students. Right. So guys, in the end, one more time, let me just update you that the offerings that I already told you, and then we'll just close the session. Okay. Do not forget to like the session in case you haven't liked, and if you really liked, if you got your answers satisfactory, and if you like the session, do not forget to hit the like button. And once again, guys, all these offerings are there. Choose your respective need night. Now, if you want live classes interacting with the faculty, GATE 2024 fundamentals going on. Tomorrow, 7 p.m. control system is starting by Ashu Jhangra sir. If you are preparing for NIELIT 2023 examination, that crash course is running continuously Monday, Wednesday, Friday, technical, Sunday, general aptitude. Coffee with concepts, very, very important concepts and tricks of the GATE examination covered in just 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, without coming live. So we have pre-recorded high quality video so that you get most important concepts actually we target in the coffee with concept. It is twice right now daily. For computer science, Tuesday and Saturday, and for ECE it is Wednesday and Sunday. And the experimental based series that will make your learning actually fun. Okay, the Learn with Fun Sunday special series, every Sunday at 7 p.m. you get videos where we first talk about the experiments or the real world use of that particular device. And then we talk about the theory and the GATE relevant syllabus behind that. All this is happening on your favorite BYJU'S Exam Prep ECE YouTube channel, right? And that is why several students got success in GATE 2023. The success saga continues. 13 students under rank 10, 107 under rank 100, and 62 students got rank under 50. Okay, that's it from our side. Anything, sir? Ashu sir, Ankit sir, Sanjay sir?
That's it.
So, all right, guys, and keep preparing with us. And thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, students. Bye-bye. Good night. Stay safe. Take care.
Thank you.